Next topic is France become a constitutional monarchy. The National Assembly completed the draft of the constitution in 1791. So in the year 1791 they finally completed the draft of the constitution in the France. Its main objective was to limit the power of the monarch. So main objective to establish the National Assembly was to limit the power of the monarch. These power instead of being concentrated in the hands of one person were now separated and assigned to different institutions, that is the legislature, executive and judiciary. So earlier there was a system where only the monarch have the power to rule the administration, but now that power is not only in the hand of one person, but it was divided into three groups, that is legislature, executive and judiciary. These made France a constitutional monarchy. So finally these procedure made the France as a constitutional monarchy. So as you can see in this picture, this was the division of power. So here will be the judiciary, that means the judge, okay, that will be the judge, and here will be as you can see over here, here are the people, that is massive citizen, no voting rights. So these are the categories where they were not allowed to vote, okay. So they were women, children and youth below 25 years. So they are the person who were not allowed to give vote, but there were active citizens entitled to vote, about 4 million of the population of 28 million. So these are the people who had the powers to vote for the judges and even for the legislature also, okay. So they can vote for judiciary and legislature. So here you can see they will vote for the electors. There will be 50,000 men and they will be voted by whom? That will the active citizens, and the electors will vote the National Assembly, and in National Assembly there will be 745 members. So they will vote from here, they will lead the National Assembly. That means from here there will be 745 members, and that will be the part of the National Assembly, okay. And National Assembly will control the king, okay, and the National Assembly will also control the ministers which are working under the king, okay. And the king have the veto power with the National Assembly. Veto power means the extra power. That means if there is a deadlock in any situation, that means 50-50 chances in order to implement any law, the king can give his vote to any party in order to settle the dispute, okay. So these were the you can say the political system under the Constitution of 1791.